Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account on a trusted device. Enter your password and complete the current two-step method so Google confirms it's you. Once signed in, open Account Settings, then Security, and navigate directly to the two-step verification section. Make sure your recovery phone and email are correct before proceeding, because changing settings can trigger account protection checks that require those exact details to restore access if needed. On the two-step verification page, locate the Toggle or Disable button and click it. Google will ask you to confirm your identity. Enter your password and respond to the device prompt or enter the verification code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, the system will turn off the second factor. Make sure to review backup codes, authenticator apps, and alternate phone numbers listed, because those remain sensitive and may need manual removal to fully stop two-step. After disabling, check that security shows two-step verification as off and sign out of any sessions on other devices to prevent lingering prompts. If you had app passwords or OAuth tokens created for less secure apps, revoke and recreate them where necessary. Make sure any authenticator apps no longer show codes for this account. If something goes wrong and you can't sign back in, use your recovery phone or email immediately to start account recovery. This single step often resolves lockouts caused by removed two-step methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.